To delete browsing history on POCO M8 Pro 5G, first of all, we'll need to open the browser that we were using. For example, and probably you have a Google Chrome. Now, if you have your Google Chrome opened, navigate to the three dots in the top right corner of the screen, and here you'll be able to find delete browsing data. If you're using different browser, then just open that browser and look for either three dots, gear icon, or three lines, something like that, to open the settings for your browser. Then usually you should be able to find the browsing history in privacy and security right here, and then we can delete the browsing data. Just select whichever things you want to delete and from how long ago, and after that we can delete the data, and now our browsing history is gone. And that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching, and if you like this video, please consider subscribing.